start to release the weight. Really let yourself go. And you may notice that you need to change shapes, that you need to adjust a little bit. That's okay. You definitely don't want to be in an uncomfortable position for the remainder of the time we're going to be here. Sometimes putting a blanket or a pillow between your knees feels really good. And Haley, if you need to adjust in any way, just let me know and we can work it out. So do your best to make sure that there's no strain in the neck. Let the mind just do its thing.